Good morning. Today we are going to make a presentation of the academic product tree. We will start the introduction by Aida. Go ahead, Aida.
Introduction. Plagiarism in teamwork. Plagiarism is presenting some also work or ideas as your own, with or without their consent. Plagiarism is not only limits the appropriations or works, but it also includes us using other people's ideas, graphics, designs, statistical data, research methods, and computer programs without crediting the original source. Teamwork happens when people work together toward a common goal. That goal could be professional or personal. These learning designs promote the constructions or knows as they are embedded in social experiences with a team environment.
Case of plagiarism. According to the case based on Module 3 of KIPU, Center for Research and Training in Informatics for Global Health, the Peruvian University Cayetano Heredia is linked to the Sudoku platform. The story starts like this. A student of the industrial engineering career at the Technological University of Peru, named Eduardo, was taking an academic research course. During the first part of the cycle, Eduardo has been asked for progress on the work in order to him give feedback. However, in the first and second assessment, Eduardo didn't present any progress. The teacher then talked to him about what was going on and if he needed help. After the conversation, Eduardo promised to deliver his advice the following week so that he can have at least one feedback from his teacher. The following week, the teacher reviews Eduardo's progress and observes certain inconsistencies in him. For example, the writing style changed in some paragraph of the work, going from first to third person. The professor decided to search for some fragments of Eduardo's work on the web and was surprised to find that, in fact, a large part of the work came from two specialized blogs and others, from some articles in specialized magazines, unfortunately. Eduardo had not cited this source, not include them in his list of reference. Finally, Eduardo wasn't aware that it was plagiarism and that it wasn't ethical to do so. Thank you.
I am going to talk about teamwork and the importance of teamwork in the development of activities of our specialty, specifically in psychology. But first, I will explain about the benefits of teamwork. For example, teamwork allows you to develop creativity and you can learn more. Teamwork allows us to unite the strengths of each person to do a good job. Teamwork improves the productivity and performance of all group members. Teamwork allows both tasks and responsibilities to be shared between people, and stress decreases in each of them. And all this has a purpose, which is to achieve a common goal. According to Tom Peters, teamwork is based on close communication and coordination. It's very important to have these values so that teamwork can reach these goals that I mentioned before. So if we focus on the profession, we find that teamwork for development of our activities has many benefits. In the case of psychology specifically, we know that Psychologists, psychologists study the human mind. This mind is complex and difficult to understand because each patient is different. So in our activities, teamwork is fundamental. Uh, we can help other psychologists colleagues to resolve doubts about their patient from our knowledge and experience. For example, psychologists have different areas of study. So by working as a team, we can ensure that mental health laws are developed and better applied to people. We can develop different prevention and awareness programs more effectively with greater reach to people if we work as a team. Finally, Peter also explained that yes, there are many weaknesses in teamwork, but they are more strength. So, in my opinion, let's think of weakness as a skill that we haven't worked on yet, or maybe that we will work on in the future. Thank you.
Okay. Conclusion. It's essential to know how to investigate and adequately avoid plagiarizing or copying other people's work by applying the principles given during learning according to each university career to do a good job. And it's also important to ask other people for help when we need it for better learning and development and performance in the requested activities. Thanks you.